Welcome to our latest video, where we're sharing an effortless method to remove chiggers from your yard and prevent their bites. These tiny pests can cause big discomfort, but with this solution, we'll bid them farewell and ensure your outdoor space remains chigger-free. If you find this remedy helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content on keeping your outdoor environment pest-free and your life hassle-free. Now, let's dive into the solution. Our first ingredient, diatomaceous earth, is a natural and non-toxic substance that effectively eliminates chiggers. It works by physically damaging the exoskeletons of chiggers, leading to dehydration and eventual death. We'll start by adding a quarter cup of diatomaceous earth to a bowl. Sulfur powder is a traditional remedy for repelling chiggers and other pests. Its strong scent and taste make it unpleasant for chiggers to inhabit treated areas. We'll add 2 tablespoons of sulfur powder to the bowl with the diatomaceous earth. Garlic powder contains compounds that repel chiggers and other insects. Its strong odor serves as a deterrent, making treated areas less attractive to chiggers. We'll add 2 tablespoons of garlic powder to the bowl with the diatomaceous earth and sulfur powder. After thoroughly mixing the ingredients, sprinkle the mixture in areas of your yard where you've spotted chiggers or suspect they may be hiding, such as tall grass, shrubs, and wooded areas. Reapply the mixture as needed, especially after rain or if you notice chigger activity returning. In conclusion, with just 3 simple and effective ingredients, diatomaceous earth, sulfur powder, and garlic powder, you can create a powerful solution to remove chiggers from your yard and prevent their bites. Say goodbye to these annoying pests and hello to a more enjoyable outdoor experience. Give this method a try today and let us know about your success stories in the comments below. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks from our channel.